Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to explain how the promotion prices program works. Promotion prices is the program where you can address discount of your item for certain period and for certain event. If I click inquiry in promotion unit price inquiry, there will be appeared here in promotion price. Then I double click one of them, there will be appeared here in promotion price. As you see, here there are two lines with some different adjustments, and this video's purpose is to let you know how you can apply it. But before we show you how you can apply it, let me give you some brief overview about Get Final Based Sales Price. Get Final Based Sales Price has function to show you the standard sales price of the item. You can only activate this button by clicking it after you fill out the item name column, and you could do batch processing. Also, if you enter more than one list of the item. So these are the first steps. Enter the promotion name as you desire. Adjust the promotion start date to promotion end date. Second steps. Double-click in item name in datasheet. Select one item or more than one item as you need, then click apply. Click Get Final Base Sales Price to see the standard sales price by automatically. Choose one option in Unit Price Application Classification. By choosing one of three options in Application Classification, two of three cells will be automatically inactive. Only one column will active for you to modify it. The cell which is inactive is colored by gray color. Enter the active cell as you want, then enter or click in the blank space to see promotion prices by automatically. Then click Save. As you know, we can set the sales unit price in several different entry screens, and it will be applied by priority as following: promotion price, sales unit price by customer, sales unit price by distribution channel, and then item unit price. So that's the final of promotion prices program. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.